How to fix the issue of black screen with cursor on Windows 11. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of black screen on Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. As you are not able to see any interface on your screen as it is black, what you need to do is simply click the keys Ctrl Alt plus Delete. Then after you will be able to see a blue screen among which there will be the option of Task Manager. Simply click on it and then click on the file at the top left corner. When you choose the option of file, you will see Run New Task. Simply click on it and then there you need to type service.msc. After that the services page will open. From here you need to search for app readiness, right click on it and then in startup type choose the option of disable and click on apply. After that, through the same process that you had done to open services, go to Task Manager again and click on File. Then click on Run a New Task and type CMD. This will open the command prompt window. Here you simply need to type shutdown/s/f. Once you click enter, it will shut down your computer. After shutting down, once you start your computer, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with black screen with cursor on Windows 11. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.